and we can't get the track out until that sign goes down. So that trajectory is in the way. I think they're trying to, I don't know if they'll go around it or not, but the owner of the sign hasn't taken it down. So let's see. You guys can see a little bit what's going on. There's a lot of stuff that's moved, which is good. Looks like power and plumbing truck down there. That's good. I do want to respect the fact that someone lost their life a couple weeks ago. So construction has been suspended for a little bit, but I just wanted to give you guys the sign update, which is no-go. So anyway, let's see what else we can see. Still some track on the ground. Alright, we're on this side now. A lot of Connex boxes in the way, so you can't see a lunch, but looks like getting ready to enclose. Let me zoom back out. Sorry guys. Looks like they're getting ready to enclose it. More building and stuff over there. We'll try to get a drive-by of the corporate office. But you guys can see what's going on over here. Not a lot. I'm really hoping they get this done soon, but you know, stuff happens. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see. As you can tell, it's not a lot going on. Looks like the trucks have been parked for quite a while, which I'm not surprised. So the holidays and things happening. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. I think we're gonna go check out some of the other new things that are going on sooner or later. There's a Buc-ee's coming and a surf park. Surfing, like actual water, surfboards, the whole deal. So I'm kind of excited about that too. So if you guys are planning to come out and visit, I definitely would come check all this out when it's done. Make it a one-stop shop. And then of course over there is the stadium.